Hello there, I'm Matthew Byers. It's my honor to be here with you to learn the first lesson of advanced pronunciation. Today, we will be getting into a totally new, interesting topic, word stress. Are you ready? Here we go. When we pronounce words, we do not say each syllable with the same level of force or energy. One syllable is usually louder, longer, and higher in pitch than the other syllables. This is what is known as word stress. The syllable that's pronounced with a greater force or breath effort is referred to as the stressed syllable, while other syllables are regarded as unstressed syllables. For example, in the word father, the first syllable, fa, is louder, longer, and higher in pitch than the second syllable, ther, because it is stressed. Listen carefully. Father, father, father. You can see this symbol in the dictionary. Yes, the apostrophe signifies the stressed syllable in the word. Remembering where to use stress can be problematic. The first thing you can do is to check the word in a dictionary and learn it by heart. By using it many times, you can train your muscle memory to remember the word and its stresses. However, with almost 200,000 words in English, it can be a big challenge. So in this lesson, we are going to provide you with some rules that you can lift some weight off your shoulders and learn stress with ease and fun. Are you excited? Here we go. To use this rule, you only need to identify and remember to which part of speech a word belongs. Simply put, you need to recognize whether they are nouns, adjectives, verbs, or prepositions. All right, here are the details. Most two-syllable nouns and adjectives have stress on the first syllable. Here are some examples. Please listen closely. I'll say each of them twice and slowly. Nature, nature. Secret, secret. Most two-syllable verbs and prepositions have stress on the second syllable. For example, prefer, prefer. Between, between. Okay, those are the rules based on the number of syllables and the parts of speech. Now we're going to the next one, rules based on suffixes. First, let me explain what a suffix is. A suffix is a letter or group of letters such as e, shin, t, and e, added to the end of a root word to make it grammatically fit the sentence. Sounds a little confusing, huh? No worries, I'm going to provide you with more details. Words ending in ik, shun, and shun have stress on the second syllable from the end. Listen to the following examples. I'll say the word slowly the first time. Fantastic, fantastic. Information, information. Profession, profession. Words ending in c, t, g, and al have stress on the third syllable from the end. For instance, currency, currency. Productivity, productivity. Strategy, strategy. Capital, capital. Words ending in e and es have the primary stress actually placed on the suffix. For example, trainee, trainee. Japanese, Japanese. All right, those are 3 groups of suffixes you need to remember. Let's continue with the last rule. compound words. Compound words are words that are formed when two or more words are added together to make a new word. For example, raincoat is a compound noun. It's created by combining two nouns, rain and coat. Here are the rules and more examples. Compound nouns often have stress on the first part. Listen carefully to the examples. I'll hold the stress for 1 second the first time. Greenhouse, greenhouse. Father-in-law, father-in-law. Compound adjectives and compound verbs have stress on the second part. Listen to the examples. Easygoing, easygoing. Ill-treat, ill-treat. That's it. You have learned the rules about word stress in English. Before we go, there are some more things that you should keep in mind. Firstly, changes in stress of two-syllable words in English can cause changes in meaning and the parts of speech. Look at this word as an example. When the stress is on the first syllable, it is pronounced record. This is a noun which means a written account of something that is kept so that it can be looked at and used in the future. When the stress is on the second syllable, it's pronounced record. This is a verb which means to keep a permanent account of facts or events by writing them down, filming them, or storing them in a computer. Listen carefully. Record, 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 record. Here are some more examples. Rebel, 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 rebel. Perfect, 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 perfect. Frequent, 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 frequent. Secondly, as accurate as these rules are with the examples following them, there are still always exceptions to some rules in the English language. That is, there might be a few words that obviously would not obey these rules. Catholic, for instance, is stressed on the first syllable instead of the second one, as rule number 2 states. Listen again. Catholic, Catholic. Therefore, to be sure about the correct stress of a word, please use a dictionary. I believe you've learned a lot in this lesson. Now you know how to stress words correctly in English. Let's get to the fun part, applying the rules to more words and practice them in sentences. Have fun in the next video. Bye-bye.